7 amazing winter and Christmas ESL activities your students will love. When the aroma of gingerbread and eggnog is in the air, you know it's time to translate your love for the most beautiful season of the year into your TEFL classroom with winter ESL activities. While this is the perfect time to embrace winter in TEFL destinations with changing seasons, it's also ideal to educate your students living in places with tropical temperatures and other cultures about the holiday celebrations. Here are 7 amazing winter and Christmas ESL activities your students will love. 1. What makes the perfect winter day? 2. Write an article for a local newspaper. 3. Make paper snowflakes. 4. Read something about winter. 5. Play a game of taboo. 6. Holiday extravaganza. 7. If everything else fails, these worksheets do the trick. Winter is the perfect time to tap into the energy and excitement of this beautiful season, and you should bring it into the classroom. With these 7 great winter and Christmas ESL activities, you will create an amazing time with your students.
Thanks so much for watching. We are ITTT, the leading provider for TEFL and TESOL training courses. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking the button down here and click on any of the videos here on the left for more interesting teaching tips for getting certified to teach English abroad and online.